Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check Windows version on laptop. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the Windows settings and here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on System and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom till you find the option of About. Click on About and you'll be able to see all of these information over here. So in order to check your Windows version, you're going to scroll down and here you'll be able to see a section that says Windows Specifications. And here is Edition, and right next to it, you'll be able to see Windows 11 Pro. That means that right now my Windows version is 11 Pro. If this method doesn't work for you, there is also another method that you can click on Windows key plus R and you're going to type down WinVer over here. Press OK and you'll be able to see your Windows version displayed right in front of you. So those were some of the ways how you can check Windows version on laptop. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.